how to change country on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your country or region in the Amazon app. Whether you have moved, travel abroad, or just want to shop in different region, I'll show you how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. And now here, once you are on the profile section, just look at the top right corner and simply tap on the flag icon. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you can select your country or region. So here simply choose the first option that says country and region, and after that a pop-up menu will appear with a list of all the countries. So here simply select the countries which you want to change to. For this video I'm going to simply select UK. So here once I've selected it, I'm going to simply tap on done, and that's it. Now I have successfully changed my region on Amazon app. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.